Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here in Waukesha, are you ready for Blizzard Brawl 2023? Make some noise, are you ready for Blizzard Brawl? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you the owner of GLCW, the man who made this happen. He is Herro. Sitting right over there for everyone that didn't get a chance. How about that, Conan? How about the ECW Originals? How about Alicia Fox? NWA World Champion EC3 against the Premier Streaming Champion Matt Cardona. Somebody is leaving without a title tonight. Also, I got some really good news. Earlier this week, GLCW and Blizzard Brawl has signed a 2-year extension at the Waukesha County Expo. So I can promise you 2024 and 2025 Blizzard Brawl will still be here. Continue to go to blizzardbrawl.com. Also, go to Netflix. OVW's Wrestlers on Netflix. Everyone's favorite Uncle Al Snow, Cash Flow, Sheri, Layla Gray, Luke Curtis. You saw them all here. They were on Netflix. But you guys came to watch some pro wrestling, right? Well, I think the only way we can start the show is if we bring out the lovely Linda King.
Partner from OVW, you know him as the voice of the valley, Eric Cornish. National anthem. Please welcome from NWA, the lovely and talented Sheri Shaw. Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright